Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make blur pass in Capcat.PC. For instance, I'm going to add this video. There's a pass and just going to effect and select body effect, and you can select this pass mosaic. Just drag here. So you can adjust for range and size like so. Okay, that's how to blur grass and Capcat.PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click thanks button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.